Ended up getting this double-sided desk whiteboard online, and it is in this 16 by 12 size. And what I like about this is it's super easy to set up on your desk. So it actually comes with this clamp right here, and the clamp has screws that you are going to put right here for it to clamp on and stay. Also, inside of the packaging, you also get some dry erase markers and a little eraser for the whiteboard and other little accessories. These magnets so you can hang stuff. To install it, all I'm going to do is place these screws inside of here and use these little screws to fit them in this bigger screw. Once it's done being set up, this is how it looks like. You're able to turn it, flip it, work or write on the board in many different directions. You're able to write on it using the dry erase markers that are provided. These markers also come with an eraser up top, so you can easily erase as well. You can also put the magnets on here, and it also comes with extra parts and pieces. So if you're in need of a dry erase board for your desk, highly recommend this one. Thank you so much to the brand for reaching out and sending me this in exchange for an honest review.